Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Always be away from airbags when you do that. That's why you have to disconnect the battery 1 hour before you do the repair. So you need to make sure that you don't have any charge in the system. Okay, we'll need to get the 2 screws tight. Okay, and push the wire in, clicks like that, and lock the red thing in place. Okay guys, so you don't have to erase the codes usually on Fords. Most Fords they will fix, once the airbag system is fixed, it resets itself after a start or two. So we're going to go ahead and start it and see if the airbag light will be on now. Okay, let's see if it's going to go away now. Yep, perfect, so that fixed our problem guys, no problems at all. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.